So another topic, cofactors. So this is also most important question in our IP NEET 2019 NEET which is obtained from to the cofactors. So before going to cofactors, you can see the generally enzymes. Generally those enzymes are made up of proteins. If the enzymes are made up of only proteins, those are called simple enzymes. Those are called simple enzymes. So if sometimes that enzyme having proteinous part and also non-proteinous part. So such type of enzymes are called holoenzymes. So generally, if that enzyme is made up of only with proteins, those enzymes are called simple enzymes. But sometimes, or most of the time, so the enzyme having proteinous part and non-proteinous part, hence that is called haloenzyme. In that haloenzyme, that proteinous part is present. The proteinous part of the haloenzyme is called apoenzyme. The non-proteinous part of the haloenzyme is called cofactor. Is called, what is that name? Cofactors. So the proteinous part of the haloenzyme is called apoenzyme. The non-proteinous part of the haloenzyme is called cofactors. There are three types of cofactors. Okay, we can go to that one by one. So first one is the prosthetic group. Second one coenzyme. And third one metal ion cofactors. Coenzymes. And third one metal ion cofactors. Prosthetic group, coenzymes and metal ion cofactors. Once again you can see this one. If the enzymes are made up of only proteins, those are called simple enzymes. But most of the time that enzyme having proteinous part and non-proteinous part. So the proteinous part of that proteinous part and non-proteinous part, such type of enzymes are holoenzymes, are also called conjugated enzymes. So if that haloenzyme containing proteinous part is called apoenzyme and non-proteinous part is called cofactors. That non-proteinous part is called cofactors. There are non-proteinous part cofactors. There are three types of cofactors: prosthetic group, coenzyme, and metal ion cofactors. So you can see that one by one. So first one is the prosthetic group. So prosthetic group is also one of the organic compound. So those organic compounds are strongly attached with apoenzyme or protein part of the enzyme. Strongly attached with apoenzyme or protein part of the enzyme. Those are simply called prosthetic group. So one of that example to the prosthetic group. So that heme means iron. So that heme is the internal part of the enzyme peroxidase. And also another enzyme catalase. So you know that when in this nitrogen peroxide, that hydrogen peroxide is converting into water molecule in the presence of enzyme catalase and peroxidase. In those one, that heme should be act as a prosthetic group. Heme act as a prosthetic group to the peroxidase enzyme. That is the prosthetic group. Next, second one, coenzymes. So those coenzymes are the organic compounds. Those coenzymes are the organic compounds. So those are loosely bonded with or in your textbook transient అని ఉంటుంది. Transient అంటే intermediate stage. So loosely bonded with enzyme protein, that means apoenzyme. Loosely bonded with enzyme protein, that is called apoenzyme. So those are organic compounds. Those are called coenzymes. Those coenzymes are the organic compounds which are loosely or transiently bonded with apoenzyme or enzymatic protein. Those are called coenzymes. Example you know very well, NAD+, so nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, NADP, TPP, thymine pyrophosphate, so NAD, so దాంతో పాటు నికోటిన్, సో నికోటిన్ NADP, NAD+, FAD+, flavin adenine dinucleotide, so all are act as a coenzymes. You can remembering that one book lo ledu. So all are obtained from the degradation of B complex vitamins. These coenzymes are obtained from the degradation of the B complex vitamins. So next last one, metal ion cofactors. So some of the metal ions like iron, manganese, magnesium, calcium, so such type of some of the metal ions which are act as a cofactors, which are strongly attached to the enzyme protein and act as a cofactors, those are activate the activity of an enzyme. అంటే ఈ మెటల్ అయాన్స్ ఉంటే అవి బాగా వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాయి, వాటిని మెటల్ అయాన్ కోఫాక్టర్స్ అంటాం. సో సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద మెటల్ అయాన్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ స్ట్రాంగ్లీ అటాచ్డ్ టు ద those are strongly attached to some of the metal ions which are strongly attached to the enzymatic protein and activate the activity of enzyme. So some examples chuddam. You can go to that one by one. Rubisco, so this enzyme involved in Calvin cycle in photosynthesis, and pepcase, PAPcase, phosphoenol pyruvic kinase, pyruvic carboxylase, hexokinase. So these enzymes are activated with the help of magnesium ions. And also in nitrogen fixation, another enzyme, nitrogenase. That nitrogenase enzyme is activated by molybdenum. So మన నీటిలో ఇంకోటి వచ్చింది IAA oxidase. This enzyme is activated by manganese, IAA oxidase. Next, carbonic anhydrase, carboxypeptidase with the help of enzyme Zn2 plus zinc. Next, like this way, different types of enzymes are activated with the help of different types of different types of metal ions. So those are called cofactors. So once again you can see this one. So the protein part is called apoenzyme, non-protein part is called cofactor. Those cofactors are of three types: prosthetic group, coenzymes, metal ion cofactors. Prosthetic group is strongly bonded with enzyme protein. Coenzymes are loosely bonded with enzyme protein. Metal ions are activate the enzymes, but those are strongly attached to the enzyme protein.